Being able to see is not as simple as opening our eyes. Vision is a really complex process, so complex that it takes up 30% of our brain matter. When you move across to the world of robots, it's the same principle. And designing a vision system for a robot is tough and costly because essentially you're teaching them to see and understand the world just like we do, which involves lots of smart technology and testing. Every detail matters, from recognising different colours, to shapes, to judging distance, making it one of the biggest challenges that scientists face. In fact, computer vision is one of the most complex tasks that faces robotics engineers, until now.
Would you like to see the ball?
Thanks to some creative problem solving by co-founders Humin Chung and Brenton Welford.
We started Vilota 2 years ago with the aim of simplifying perception for robotics professionals. We focus on localization, object detection and object classification, so the robot knows where it is, what is around it, and what those things are that are around it.
We're going to demonstrate the key aspects of computer vision on my, until now, sightless robo-companion. Integrating this visual system Vilota has designed and built means it can now move around with a level of autonomy.
So there are a couple of things happening under the scene. The first, you can see there's a couple of cameras. The first thing you get are the image streams. Then on top of that, you can tell that there are feature points being extracted as help on the localization. And on top of that, you see the false color representation is how the robots perceive depths. Lastly, there will be bounding boxes around to detect what the objects are.
So the system looks quite modular. Is that how it was designed?
Yes, we put a lot of thinking into how the system can be used. In a traditional way, robotics companies has to build everything from scratch. But we purposely build it with a lot of engineering efforts to make it modular, so it's easy for anybody who want to integrate and build greater things on top.
So what industries have you seen take up your technology so far?
The vision system being an inside-out system that can work standalone is being very popular in indoor drones, for example, inspecting warehouses for stock checking. It's also increasingly being used in underground mining tunnels where you have no access to GPS signals. It gives you a site for positioning.
It's also worth noting that robots in mining is predicted to be worth $208 billion by 2030. That's a lot of opportunities for this system to be deployed. And while none of us wants to be replaced by a robot, deploying them to environments that are inherently unsafe makes a lot of sense. This is some very cool technology that we've seen here today. Yes, I know you can see. I, for one, welcome our new robot overlords.